Hello guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Today may bago na naman tayong i-review na application. It's called Melolo. Dito, gagawin lang natin is manonood. Kung gusto mong extra kita habang nanonood ka na, panoorin mo tong video na to hanggang dulo. Hello guys, download muna natin yung Melolo or ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description.
A few moments later.
After natin ma-download, open natin yung application and punta tayo sa profile. At dito, mag-login lang tayo. Click natin yung login. At dito, select lang natin kung anong age na tayo. After natin ma-select yung age natin, dito may lalabas na pag-loginan. Meron silang Google, Facebook, at TikTok. After natin makalagin, dito select lang natin kung ano yung gender natin. After natin makalagin, punta tayo sa rewards. At dito is gagawin lang natin yung mga mission nila. At meron din silang check-in. Yan po yung mga daily reward nila. At pwede tayong mag-invite. Yan po guys, yung lahat na pwede tayong manood. Libre lang manood dito guys. Lahat ng episode is mapapanood natin. Kita nyo naman guys, yung dalawang coins doon, coins at balance. At yung coins naman is pwede nating i-convert sa pesos. At kita nyo naman guys is meron tayong coins na 1.5. I-redeem lang natin at katumbas nun is 0.15 pesos. Click lang natin yung manage. At dito, makikita natin yung withdrawal method. Yung minimum withdrawal dito is 2 pesos every Friday. Click natin yung invite. At dito, makikita natin yung invite code natin at kung ano yung rules kung paano mag-invite or ilan madagdag kapag meron tayong na-invite.
1 week later.
Hello guys, try naman natin mag-add ng withdrawal method dito. Click natin yung manage account and click natin yung add payment method and click natin yung yes and click ulit natin yung add payment method. At dito, pipili lang tayo kung ano yung gusto nating pag-withdraw. Meron silang GCash at Maya. Ang pipiliin ko is GCash. Type lang natin yung information number natin o information account natin. After natin ma-type yung information number natin o information account, click natin yung submit. At dito, okay na yung withdrawal method natin. Back lang natin. At dito, maghihintay lang tayo ng every Friday at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pero yung withdrawal method nila is may update sila sa pag-withdraw. Ito guys, yung nabago sa pag-withdraw nila. Yung 1 peso, kailangan natin ng mag-withdraw ng 3 beses. Withdraw natin, get my withdrawal. And dito is natanggap na natin or nabawasan yung points natin ng 1 peso. Yun guys is wala pang 1 minute natanggap na natin yung na-withdraw natin. Ganun lang guys.
1 week later.
Dito guys, after 7 check-in or after 7 days na makuha natin yung check-in, click natin yung balance natin guys. At dito, click natin yung 10 pesos. And then, click natin yung get my reward. Dito, maghintay lang tayo ng 3 days. Pero wala pang 3 days is natanggap na natin yung na-withdraw natin dito guys. Tignan natin sa GCash natin guys. Kung natanggap na natin talaga yung na-withdraw natin dito na 10 pesos. At yun guys, natanggap na natin yung 10 pesos na na-withdraw natin sa Melolo.